Hello students, today we will discuss about estimation of serum triglyceride by GPO-POD enzymatic method. Triglycerides are a form of fatty acid esters derived from glycerol and fatty acids. They are produced in the liver by binding glycerol and other fatty acids. Triglycerides are the main constituents of body fat in humans. Now let us look at the principle of the test. Lipoprotein lipase hydrolyzes triglycerides to glycerol and free fatty acids. The glycerol with ATP in the presence of glycerol kinase forms glycerol 3-phosphate, which is oxidized by the enzyme glycerol phosphate oxidase called GPO to form hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide reacts with phenolic chromogen by the catalytic action of peroxidase called POD to form a red colored compound. Intensity of the color formed is directly proportional to the amount of triglyceride present in the sample. The reaction is a combination of 4 steps. First, triglycerides by the action of lipoprotein lipase produces glycerol and free fatty acids. Second, glycerol along with ATP by the action of glycerol kinase produces glycerol 3-phosphate and ADP. Third, glycerol 3-phosphate is oxidized by glycerol phosphate oxidase to produce dihydroxyacetone phosphate or DHAP and H2O2 or hydrogen peroxide. Fourth, this hydrogen peroxide reacts with phenolic chromogen by peroxidase to form red colored compound and water. Serum or heparinized or EDTA plasma is preferred as sample for the test. Fasting sample of 12 to 14 hours is preferred. No alcohol to be consumed before 24 hours of giving the sample. Now let us look at the contents of reagent kit. The reagent kit contents are 2 bottles marked R and S. In bottle R we find triglyceride enzyme reagent ready to use, and in bottle S we find triglyceride standard, which is 200 mg per dl. Reagent storage. The kit should be stored at 2 to 8 degrees centigrade. Freezing the sample is prohibited. Reagent should be stored in amber colored bottle to protect it from direct light. The reagent should not be shaken vigorously. Over the period of storage, the reagent may develop a light pink color. This is expected and does not affect the reagent performance. Preparation. Reagent and standard provided are ready to use. Now let us look at the triglyceride kit contents in this photo. We can see the amber colored bottle containing triglyceride enzyme reagent and the white bottle containing triglyceride standard of 200 mg per dl. Procedure of the test. Temperature required is room temperature and wavelength is 505 nanometer. 3 test tubes are taken and marked as B, S and T. In B or blank, we put enzyme reagent of 1 ml along with distilled water of 0.01 ml. In S or standard, we put enzyme reagent of 1 ml and standard solution of 0.01 ml. In T or test, we put enzyme reagent of 1 ml and test sample of 0.01 ml. All 3 test tubes are mixed well and incubated at room temperature for 15 minutes or at 37 degrees centigrade for 5 minutes. Absorbance of standard solution and test sample are measured against blank. The color is stable for at least 30 minutes. Now look at the 3 test tubes containing blank, standard and test for the expected colors. triglyceride in mg per dl is measured as absorbance of test minus absorbance of blank by absorbance of standard minus absorbance of blank into concentration of the standard in mg per dl. Linearity of the sample is up to 100 mg per dl. If value exceeds the limit, the sample is diluted with normal saline and the assay is repeated and calculated with proper dilution factor. Now we have to know about the normal reference value of triglyceride in serum or plasma. If the value exceeds 150 mg per dl, it is in the suspicious range, and if it exceeds 200 mg per dl, then we can say it is elevated. Some of the clinical conditions where abnormal values are found. Increased values are found in hyperlipidemia, diabetes, nephrotic syndrome, hypothyroidism, etc. And decreased values are found in malnutrition, hyperthyroidism, etc. To summarize the whole test, we can say serum triglyceride content is estimated quantitatively by enzymatic method using lipoprotein lipase, glycerol kinase, glycerol phosphate oxidase and peroxidase. Glycerol released from hydrolysis of triglycerides by lipoprotein lipase is converted by glycerol kinase into glycerol 3-phosphate, which is oxidized by glycerol phosphate oxidase to dihydroxyacetone phosphate and hydrogen peroxide. In presence of peroxidase, hydrogen peroxide oxidizes phenolic chromogen to a red colored compound. Absorbance of this red colored compound is then photometrically measured to determine the quantity of triglyceride present in the sample. Thank you, students.